Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. This is Philips 3000 series trimmer. Its model number is BT3221/15. Let's open this box. On the top of the box, we get a card to unlock 1 year of warranty. Then we get a user manual, a international warranty card, a charger, and a bag for trimmer. Let's keep these things aside. I will show this one by one in details after a moment. We also get a brush for cleaning. There is a separate box for trimmer. We get trimmer itself in a plastic bag. It feels very solid in hand and also looks premium. It is made up of good quality plastic. On the top we get a comb. Let me first remove it. Then we get a paper with some instruction. There is a sticker which tells that this trimmer body is not washable, although the blades are washable. Blades are titanium coated with self-sharpening. It has rounded tips with a smooth contact with skin to prevent scratching. We get grip on the front top. It feels comfortable while holding in hand. This is zoom wheel, which easily adjusts the length setting. It has 20 lock-in length settings, which let us choose for 0.5 mm to 10 mm length with 0.5 mm precision steps. The comb gets lifted upward as we increase its length. Below this wheel there is a power button to turn on and off. We also get a display indicator. Red blinking light indicates battery low. Green blinking light indicates charging. Green continuous light indicates battery full. We also get green continuous light while coded use, as we can also use it plugged in while charging. It takes about 1 hour to completely charge the battery, which get 90 minutes of codeless use. They call it Dura Power technology. We get black color in the back part with some instructions and model number. On the side of this trimmer we get Philips branding. There is a charging connector on the bottom. We have to remove the head after use for cleaning. It's so easy to remove and attach. We just have to apply some pressure. We also get Philips branding on it. Let's come to the accessories. The comb is made up of plastic with angular front. Its quality is also good. We get a fast charger with long wire of about 2 meters. This is a standard brush that we get in every Philips trimmer. The travel pouch protects the product during traveling and storage. To unlock 1 year of warranty, we need to sign up and register our product within 90 days on Philips official website. So these are its pros. Let's talk about its cons. This product is not waterproof, so we can't wash it in water or use it during shower. Also, this trimmer gets heated up while 30 minutes of charging. Although my old trimmers don't get heated even in 10 hours of charging. That's all. If you want to buy this product, I will put the best buy link in description. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.